Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to learn the difference between until and unless. Where to use until and where to use unless. They both are conjunctions and the job of conjunction is to connect two sentences together. Here I have given an example. I will not eat, that is one sentence. Another sentence is he comes. Unless he comes or until he comes. Both have different meanings. Both sentences are correct. Unless he comes, जब तक वो आ ना जाए. It means the condition is जब तक वो आ ना जाए. जब वो आ जाएगा तो मैं खाऊंगा. मैं नहीं खाऊंगा जब तक वो आ ना जाए. पहला ना, not, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा जब तक वो आ ना जाए. Now you must be thinking, where is the second not? Second not is here. Un means not. So I will not eat unless he comes. Here I am talking about his coming. He may come or he may not come. Here the condition is the talk, the material, the matter. But here the condition is time. In other words, you can say until means till the time. हिंदी में दोनों का सेंस सेम होता है. मैं उस वक्त तक नहीं खाऊंगा जब तक वो आ ना जाए. लेकिन यहां पर बात हो रही है उसके आने या ना आने की. अगर वो आएगा तो मैं खाऊंगा, अगर वो नहीं आएगा तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगा. बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइम. मुझे पता है कि वो आएगा, देन ओनली वी कैन यूज until. कब तक आएगा ये नहीं पता. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइम कि उस वक्त तक आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, किसी ने आपसे कहा कि मैं 12 बजे तक आऊंगा and then I am waiting for him, then I can say I will not eat until he comes because I know he will come. अगर मैं ये कहता हूं कि वो आ भी सकता है, वो नहीं भी आ सकता है, then we can say unless he comes because we are not sure. He may come, he may not. We are not talking about time in that case. I will not make a video until you ask me. It means I know you are going to ask me. If I say I will not make a video unless you ask me, it means you may ask or you may not ask. Both possibilities are there. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Thank you so much.